Pasta with truffle and spinach.
This is so good, you will not leave a piece on your plate.
For the pasta, we need dried truffle, tagliatelle, spinach, olive oil, Parmesan, balsamic, cream, butter, pine nuts, lemon, pepper and salt.
Pasta, spinach and truffle. Perfect match.
Soak dried truffle in hot water. Boil water in a pan, adding salt and olive oil. Cook the tagliatelle according to the package instructions. Drain the pasta. Melt butter in a frying pan. Add cream. Mix in grated Parmesan. Squeeze lemon. Season with salt and pepper. Stir until creamy. Add spinach to the sauce. Fry for about 2 minutes. Add spinach to the pasta. Pour olive oil. Add nuts. Mix everything together. Add truffle. Serve into dish. And decorate with balsamic cream. Enjoy! Bon appétit!